Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. This video is on how to use the panoramic sunroof on the 2021 Kia Sorento SX 2.5 Turbo all-wheel drive. The one I have in front of me is Pacific Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so the button for the panoramic sunroof is up here in the middle. It's like a two-function button depending on how hard you press. So right now, because everything's closed, if I give this a light press, it's going to send the shade back to the rear. From that position, if I go ahead and press it again, it's just going to open the entire window. Now, if I were to do a hard press from this position, then it's going to go ahead and start closing the window as well as the shade. And the shade's going to wait for the window to finish closing before it continues. There it goes. And then if I go ahead and give a light press and it's only moving the shade, I can go ahead and press the button in any direction and it will interrupt the shade and stop it wherever I want. So it'll still allow a bunch of natural light through without opening the window at all. So from this position now, if I press the button up, it will actually tilt the back of the sunroof to allow some nice fresh air in without letting all the elements in. And just to show you what it looks like from the outside, I've tilted the back of the sunroof. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the button fully so the shade will continue to close and the window is now opening fully. And you've got this lovely little kind of bug guard net in the front here to stop anything from flying in. Also, if you were to go turn the vehicle off while your sunroof is open, it will ping on the instrument panel and let you know that the sunroof is still open. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit the like button. We really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe and make sure that you select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thank you, guys.